Anil Sehgal, Chairman, MT Autocraft Systems Limited, the manufacturing maestro of Ludhiana edition, was felicitated by Anand Khurana, Managing Director of Clamp N. Smith, and Otaka Takashi, General Manager, Brother Machinery, India.
It's a very great initiative this magazine is taking up, and I'm really surprised that somebody is trying to honor the hardcore work of the manufacturers who do the dirty job actually. And it's a thankless job which all of us do, but I'm really proud of this job, and thank you very much for taking this initiative to honor the hardcore manufacturers who are really building the nation.
Good evening everyone. Congratulations MTA team, and Hari, you are doing a very wonderful job, and you are motivating all the manufacturers from all over India. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, sir. So I would like to say a few words on behalf of our distributor Yamazen and the brother team. Actually, I wanted to visit your place before today's event, but I couldn't. So please give me a chance to visit your place next time. And I would like to introduce our a new model, new function, new technology. Thank you, and congratulations again. Thank you.